What's up guys, today I'm going to be playing Minecraft and I'm going to be showing you how to make a really good house. So yeah, I'm just going to make a new world. If you want to copy this in survival or creative, you can. Right now I'm going to do it in creative. So let's wait for it to load. And we'll be on our way. So yeah, I'm on mobile right now. That's why it's like, you know, not really a computer. But I hope you still enjoy the video. So I'm going to be seeing where I can build the house. Probably here. Yeah, that's good. Yeah, beautiful. So yeah, I'm going to be getting all these stuff we need. You can copy along if you want. You don't always need to have the same things. But yeah. Okay, now let's make the build. So I'm gonna do 4 blocks there and 3 blocks diagonal. Then 3 blocks diagonal over on the other side. Then put another one, but 4 blocks diagonal like that. Then put another one diagonal and 4 blocks like that. Then put another 4 diagonal and put 4 blocks here. Then another diagonal. And that will be your build. I'm going to put 2 doors here. I'm going to make that this big. Not too small, not too big. That is like 3 blocks high. So that we can get enough headspace instead of touching the ceiling, which will not be great. Now let's take that out and get spruce planks instead of dirt, because why would anyone have a dirt house? Am I right? So we're gonna destroy this dirt. And then we're going to start placing the planks. So now we're placing down the planks. And then we'll get over to the roof and we'll do the inside. Oh my god. So yeah, just fill that in. Now we're gonna do that. Oh, actually, let's do all the spruce log. Then on the roof, we're gonna put it like this. Then once you're done, put it on the walls. Then we're gonna start closing it in, so it can be a roof. Alright, we got that done, and now it's time for the inside. So we're going to be using some torches, of course. Let's place them like this, so we can light up the whole entire room. Place 2 there, place 2 there, and that will make a good lighting. Then we get some beds. Doesn't matter which color you get, but my favorite color is blue, so I'm going to put in that. So once you get all of this done, we're going to be putting some chiseled bookshelves here. Oh, actually, never mind. We'll put some chiseled bookshelves over here with a nice window. We're going to be putting windows like this. And then we, of course, put the glass. Now we got that done. We got the bookshelves. We're going to start making a rug. Or if you want, you could make some furnaces. Well, if you're survival. Get a crafting table. Then put the furnaces up here. Barrels here. A crafting table there. Then we get a smithing table, which will be here. Anvil will be placed over here. Then we get some candles, doesn't matter which colour, but I already know which I'm picking. We put some accessories on top of there. Put some pressure plates. Put a pressure plate there. Then we can put an armor stand and put any of your armor that you would like to put on there. So I'm going to put netherite and diamond. So let's put that on the stand. Now we make the rug, which is basically just a carpet. You could do any 2 colours you want, but I'm going to do this colour, these colours of course. Put them in a checkerboard pattern, or any pattern you want, doesn't really matter. So once you're done with that, we're going to be putting some more stuff in the room, or a house basically. So now put the carpets in the empty spaces if you're doing checkerboard pattern. And there you have the carpet. Now we're going to be putting the door. Yeah, and then we're going to be putting some lights outside. I'm just going to put them there. Then we have this beautiful room. Then we're going to start working on the outside. Put some plants, any plant you want. I'm going to be putting the pitcher plant and put them in between our house. Well, in between these little spaces, you know. So I'm kind of sick today. I have a sore throat. Then we put them all the way, round. And then we get some bone meal and start making the land around us more bigger. And that will be it. Yeah, that's it now, guys. We've got this beautiful front landscape in front of us and some good exterior at the front. Then we go inside, we have this beautiful rug, chiseled bookshelf, armor, craft table, of course, a bed. Then we got some barrels and some furnaces. We also got an anvil and a smithing table. Well, thank you guys so much for watching. See you in the next Minecraft build. Bye.